Yo, 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 what it is? We're going to church camp retreat for the weekend. No idea if that was clear. I hadn't used this camera in about 46 years. And, you know, it's literally tonight, all day Saturday. We come back Sunday afternoon. So we're spending 2 nights. We're there for 1 full day and then some half days. And like, I feel like we honestly could probably leave and go on a month-long trip and have extra stuff. Is the way I feel. You know, my stuff is packed in a backpack and like one little square box for clothes and drawers and all that good stuff. But I know it'll be a fun weekend. Let's kind of see what we can get into. Hey, y'all excited?
Yes, maybe I can take a video of you.
Oh yeah, take a video of me. Wonderful.
Except for the part there's bugs everywhere. But you're looking like this. Oh. Wait, maybe it's someone.
You excited?
Yeah. There, it's out, it's out.
This point for me, and you're looking at Andy at all times in the eyes. Right? I see you looking at me in the eyes, you'll be out. That's your nose, that's your ear, that's your nose, and your chin.
Oh, that was fast. What happened? I'm sitting at the beginning of the trailhead. Now here's the funny thing about it. I'm looking at the map and I'm like, wow, that map looks very, very familiar to me, but I haven't been to this location, like this spot before. And a while back we did Rainbow Falls with some friends. And it's here in the same area. And so this trail can actually intercede with what we had done before, so that's kind of cool. Beautiful day out already. Love nature. We're coming back to do this hike today, even if I'm coming back by myself. Took a little walk around the lake bed, and Amanda got to a spot where she had phone service, and she's like, "Ooh, I got a couple customers messaging me. Let me stop." So I continue on. We let the kids come out here in the lake bed and get a little muddy without getting messed up. All right, we finally made it back to the trailhead and picked up some. Now keep in mind, this trail is like, if you go to camp here, you have to be 13 years old or above to do the trail. It's really strenuous, straight up. Some parts you're kind of climbing. It's difficult. The kids may not even be able to do it, but we've got the youngest group ever. So, we'll see. Alright, this is exactly why we push ourselves to the limit, because we're going straight down, which is a little bit more scary. Are you nervous right now? You scared? Are you going to be a big boy? You going to push through? Okay, we're going to take our time. We're going to go nice and slow. And guess what? You're going to conquer your fear and you're going to feel good afterwards, okay? Alright, let's do this. You feel good? All right, you made it. Oh, dude, you make it? Oh, the mist, the coolness, the wind. It feels so good. What'd you think, Lindsay?
Come on. I'm almost done now. Let's get it done.
Hey, we decided to go to the top. The rain come in on us. We got the rain jackets on. Now it just got fun.
Lindsay wanted to turn back.
Now we just look at this raining. Oh, that's gone. They're gone. Let's
Turn back. We outnumbered her 4-1.
That's great. Yeah, what you think, boy? So this is like the top of the waterfall when we was just at the bottom looking down. It's running really fast. I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer. Well, that's where a black man stopped because that's how folks get killed. You step out on that.
The black part of it just started to come out.
We hit the limit.
The black person would be back down at camp. Probably wouldn't even be at camp. He'd be at their house on the couch watching TV.
Asher, fun? You scared? You ready to go back?
I think I have to get him.
All right, let's go back, baby.